everyone, this is Session of Online Maths, and in this lesson we will solve this problem before us. We have square root of x plus square root of y is 10, and square root of xy is also 10. So we need to find the values of x and y. So now let's get the first equation. In equation 1 we have square root of x plus square root of y, everything is 10. Let us square both sides to get rid of the square root. So if I square both sides now, if you open this bracket, you'll be getting a square root of x squared plus 2 times square root of x times square root of y multiplied by square root of y squared. This is what you get when you open the bracket. And 10 squared is the same as 100. Square root of x squared is just x plus 2 multiplied by square root of xy plus square root of y squared is just y. Everything is 100. So we can call this x plus y plus 2 root xy equal to 100. But from equation 2, root xy is equal to 10 from this equation. So we'll replace it with 10. We have x plus y plus 2 multiplied by 10. I'm replacing root xy by 10. Everything is equal to 100. So we have x plus y plus 2 times 10 is 20 is equal to 100. So x plus y plus 20 minus 100 is 0. So x plus y, 20 minus 100 will be minus 80, right? Minus 80 equal to 0. Or better still, let me just call this x plus y is equal to 80. So I'll just call it star. And also remember that in equation 2, we have this. Square root of x, y is 10. Also, square root of xy is the same thing as 10. So we square both sides. This cancels out. We find out that xy is 10 squared is 100. So xy will give us 100. Now, but from star, this equation here, we have that x plus y is equal to 80, meaning that x is equal to 80 minus y. So let us put 80 minus y for x in this equation here. So seeing x, I will put 80 minus y multiplied by y equal to 100. So 80 times y is 80y minus y squared equal to 100. So minus y squared plus 80y minus 100 is equal to 0. So let me multiply everything by negative 1. I will have y squared minus 80y plus 100 is 0. Now let's use completing square method. Our a is 1, b is minus 80, and c is 100. But y is minus b plus or minus square root of b squared minus 4ac all over 2a. So y becomes minus b will just be 80 plus or minus square root of b squared minus 80 squared minus 4 times a1 times c 100. Everything all over 2a, which is 2 times 1. So y will be 80 plus or minus square root of 80 squared will give us 6,400 minus 4 times 100 is 400. Everything all over 2. So y will be 80 plus or minus square root of 6,004 minus 400 is 6,000. Divide by 2. So y will be 80 plus or minus square root of 6,000 will give us about 77.46 all over 2. So meaning that y can be 80 plus 77.46 over 2, or y can be 80 minus 77.46 all over 2. So y will now be 80 plus 77.46 divided by 2 will give us 78.3, or y can be 80 minus 77.46 then divided by 2 will give us 1.27. So these are the values of y, but we also need the values of x. We go back here, we now have that x is equal to 80 minus y. That's the value of x. X is equal to 80 minus y. Remember, our target is to find the values of x and y. So x is 80 minus y. So coming here, x is equal to 80 minus y. So when y is 78.3, x will be 80 minus 78.3. 80 minus 78.3, that will give us that x is 1.7. Now when y is 1.27, x will be 80 minus 1.27. Okay, 80 minus 1.27, that will be 78.73. So x is 78.73. So these are the solutions. The solutions can come in pairs. When x is 1.7, y is 78.3, and when x is 78.73, y is 1.27. Bye.